Hi there, today I want to share with you how you can comment in LinkedIn another post with a AI powered Chrome extension. In this video I will to share a step-by-step guideline with a free extension which get from my LinkedIn account bio a GitHub link. You just go this link and go the repositories. When you will go the repositories, you looking this LinkedIn AI commenter, this file. This is the extension which is completely free. You can use that locally and server connected. So you just click the LinkedIn AI comment and go to code and click the download zip. Instant it will downloading. And now I will extract it from my file manager. Go to file manager, which I will downloading as a zip. I just click that and extract all. Extract. Now it will complete for unpacked upload. Now I will go the Chrome browser and go the extension and manage extension. You will looking there developer mode. You just toggle on as a developer mode. When you will on, you look the load unpacked, this type of thing. You just click there and which file I was extract. I just selected that and select folder. When I will select it, it will be looking like that. Now it will be functioning as a extension. You should look the extension is like that. LinkedIn AI commenter, you just print from there, and there you just need to connect it locally. Just drop down from, you will select Gemini API, and for need a Gemini API key, for that you just go another tab for Google AI Studio, which is completely free for API key. Go the get API key, and after here I was creating before lots of API key which I was using and also building that. You just, if you are new, it will look like that. Just create key, and when you will create key, it will be creating automatically. There I will looking there. I will showing you how I can generate that. Just click there and it will look like that. After I will deleting this is security concern. Always remember that you will not share with another this API key. Just go the LinkedIn AI commenter and go the placeholder input box, paste it here and test connection or save key. If you are new, just test connection for is your API key working or not. Then save. Instant you will look the in LinkedIn comment box AI comment, this type of a extra button which if you are clicking, instant it will generating a knowledge shareable brainstorming with name mentioning comment. This is perfect for engaging with another person in your same field, which is most important part for LinkedIn. There, look, this name was mentioning who is posting, its name mentioned, so it will be perfect for brainstorming and knowledge shareable. And I just click the comment and give any icon which I want. Later I will go another post whose name is Abi Khan. I will go this comment, and instant I look this button, I click and to generate the brainstorming knowledge shareable with name mentioned comment. Now I just click, I will showing the name mentioned and comment. Later I will giving any icon emoji which I want. LinkedIn is depend on three things. Always remember that when you are posting regularly in your problem solution architect in your same field, it will be automatic generate lots of people in your same field. It will be connection most important part. And secondly, comments other post with my free extension which is completely free and reduce your time and solve the comment problem with for engagement and likes other post. That was enough for LinkedIn.